In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Canva templates on Gumroad. Now, before we start, I'm just going to brief you on what exact topics we're going to be covering in this demonstration. So first off, I'm going to show you how to export your Canva template once you have created one, and I'm going to show you a quick way to link that into a new Canva design so that the design is what will appear once your customer purchases your Canva template. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to list that Canva template as a sellable product on Gumroad. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Gumroad account, and if you have an account with Canva, then of course you're gonna have to log into that too. Now, if you have a subscription with Canva, that would be much helpful since you'll be having access to a lot of features when it comes to designing your Canva template. So right now I'm only running a free version, but this should be enough for this demonstration. But again, if you have Canva Pro, it'll be much easier for you to create more compelling templates and designs. So for this example, let's say we're planning to sell annual report templates. So we have one right here. Now do take note that this is just a sample template and I didn't design this myself. So we're going to be using this as only an example. And what I am going to show you is how we can incorporate this into a new design that will show up as the file that we're going to link into our product. So once you have your template right here, which in my case is an annual report template, you can see right here, we're going to go ahead and create our new design. So we're just going to open this in a new window or a new tab. And then we're going to click on custom size. For this design, we're going to try making it a square right here. So we're going to go ahead and create our new design. Now from here, I'm just going to add some details to our product design. So we're going to go to elements, and then I recently used this color box. So as you can see here, it's just a plain old color box, like a reddish tone. And I'm just going to resize this, just like this. It's going to act like a simple border right there. Maybe a little bigger or taller. Then I'm going to copy this and then paste it right here so that I can place one on the bottom as well. That should be good. Now, I'm going to look for an report icon maybe. So under elements, we should be able to find one. Maybe this one. As you can see, some designs are locked in Pro, but some are free. So it would be beneficial if you have Canva Pro. If you're like an avid designer, then it's going to be a lot helpful for you when you're crafting your own designs and templates. So we have an icon over here. You can also make use of third-party images or stock photos, as long as you choose the ones with no royalties or copyrights. Or you could also purchase stock photos if you prefer. Next, we're going to add in a text. So maybe a thank you message, since this is what's going to appear once they purchase your template. So we're just going to place it right here. And then lastly, we're going to add a text that they can click so that they'll be directed to the template. So we're just going to look for one here. Let's try choosing something a bit simple. As you can see, you have a variety of options here, and a lot of them are free as well. So just choose which one is to your liking. Maybe this one. Actually, how about this? I think this can work. We're just gonna make this a bit smaller. And then I'm just gonna change the text, edit your, and then for down here, this will be annual report template. Now I'm just gonna make this wider, just like that. And I'll make it a bit smaller. And reposition it just like that. Now, I'm not necessarily a good designer, but something simple as this can work. And once you're done, we're just gonna click this part right here, which says annual report template, and then highlight the entire phrase, and then click this link. And then from here, we're just gonna grab our annual report template link right here by clicking on share, and then make sure that it is set to anyone with the link can edit. Then we're just going to copy the link and then paste it right here. Click done, and it should link to our annual report template. So this is what's going to show up once we list this as our product. So if we click this, as you can see, it links us to the annual report template. So now we're gonna try to download this as a PDF. Once it's downloaded, we'll try to open it, see if it works. Yep, just like that. That's what we want. So we have the PDF file in our computer now. So we're going to head back to Gumroad and then click products on the left side of the screen. Click new product. Make sure digital product is selected. Then under name, just going to put in annual report template. Let's say the price is $15. Then click on next, customize. And then here, just put in your description. So download and edit an annual report template, something like that. Now you can choose to link if you have a URL or a custom domain. You can also upload cover photos and thumbnails, which will make your product look more presentable. And I'm just going to change the call to action to buy this. Then you'll get a downloadable PDF file of an annual report template. Just like that. Pricing is right. And once that's done, we're just going to click save and continue. And then here, we're just going to upload the PDF file from our computer. And I'm just going to rename the file to annual report template. Once we upload the file, it should be ready for posting. So there we go. We're just going to click publish and continue. And now it's published. Under preview, we're just going to check how this looks like by clicking on the arrow button right here. And as you can see, we have the annual report template. And if the customer purchases it, they will be presented with the PDF file, and then they can click the link there and they will be taken to the annual report template. And that's about it. That's how you sell Canva templates on Gumroad. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.